Today I'm going to show you how to make a bread and butter pudding. You will need 8 to 10 slices of bread, 50 grams of butter, 75 grams of sultanas or currants, 400 millilitres of milk, 25 grams of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 2 eggs. I have used a baking dish which is 23 centimetres by 17 centimetres. And firstly, using a little bit of the butter, just grease your baking dish. Then with your slices of bread, cut off the crusts and butter one side. You will then need to arrange a layer of bread at the bottom, which I have cut the bread smaller as well to make it easier to fit in. Then sprinkle some currants on top of that layer and then some cinnamon. And then repeat the layers until you run out of bread. Then in a separate bowl or jug, mix together your milk and sugar, and then add in your eggs and mix well. Then pour your liquid over the top of your pudding. Don't worry that it is going to be quite a wet pudding, it's okay, it will cook out in the oven. Then in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted, bake for 30 to 40 minutes until the top is golden brown. And there you have it. That's how you make bread and butter pudding.